What's the meaning of booster seat? Booster seat. Booster seat.
Booster seat. Booster seat. A booster seat is a child car safety seat designed for children who have outgrown their forward-facing seats. The booster seat raises the child's seating position so that the vehicle's lap and shoulder belt fits properly over the stronger parts of the child's body. It helps to reduce the risk of injury in the event of a crash, as it positions the seatbelt correctly on the child's body. Booster seats come in various sizes and styles and are typically used for children between the ages of 4 and 12, or until they reach a height of 4 feet 9 inches.